Model, 61-plate Nissan Primastar 2.0dCi VIVARO 2.0dCi 115PS short wheelbase, high roof spares OR repairs trader margin open mouth smile. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 63,849. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Injector no 1 and no 2 need replacing, some of the parts have been removed to diagnose this grin. Those parts are back of the van. Injectors need replacing, put these in and you have a very cheap van open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys.